If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Injective update. We're going to run through this technical target that we had all the way back here at $8 and what specific targets are going to be hit along the way to that, the levels that need to be maintained. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 7.5k before the end of this year, under 200 subs away. Definitely achievable. If you want to take action on the education, the ebook, the mentorship, the course or the Discord community, use the links down below. Now quickly running through the 5-day time frame, we can see two separate golden pockets. I've got two different fibs. Usually when we're trying to gain potential bull market targets, we need to go off our bull market top to our bear market bottom, so it'd be there to there. But as we were coming up and we broke through that one's golden pocket, essentially we started to create the reversal wave and we were heading to the next point of resistance right over here. So I've placed another fib from that high to the bear market bottom, giving us two separate targets, two separate golden pockets and whatnot. So to go ahead and meet all the targets, you need to hold above both golden pockets, with the higher one being at $9. And so that's why many months ago, back in September, October time, we were saying as soon as $9 breaks, we've created the reverse wave. Next target would be over here. And then of course the previous all-time high $27 with future targets above, and this inverse head and shoulders targeting $89. But a lot of confluence at the $100 location. We also made video updates in the past how we were expecting Injective to get to over $200 in this bull market. Could even be above $400. We'll run through all of this in today's video. So what we're seeing right now is after breaking through the previous all-time high $27, we topped out at about $34. We were calling for 35. It still will get met because we are above the golden pockets, very far away. Remember, $9 is the level we must stay above and we will hit all targets. So you can see that we're very close to the next one. I've got an alert set already, $35, and we were previously mentioning this in the past week. As long as this $28 nice level of support is going to continue to hold, we should just expect continuation to there. We've broken the all-time high, we're just falling back, we're finding support higher than it and looking to then hit $35 as our next target. But as you've seen in the title already, we've got a $50 technical target. Not only is it a psychological level, but we've also got it lined up with the 1414. It's slightly beneath the 1414 as this is $52, but yeah, $50 would be its next target once 35 is breached, and then once that $50 is finally broken, we've got our technical target coming in very soon at $89-90 as of this inverse head and shoulders breakout back in October, end of October time. And that would complete a move from the breakout, a completed move of 862%, giving totally free here on the channel. Guys, there are also many other gems in the Discord community. In the past week, we've done 4x on some of these because we're looking at some cryptos even around the 1 million market cap area, and so that's why we're getting really serious gains really quickly. But Injective, what a solid project, what a safer bet than those, and it's still exploding even when it's at above 2 billion, which is absolutely incredible. So this is the sort of crypto that's doing like a Solana type run. Remember last bull market, Solana just kept on ripping. Pretty much Injective is stealing that limelight as of now for this current bull market, as well as Casper, and that's why we make daily updates on those, because we know there's a lot of potential even though they're already above a billion by market cap. Now I'm going to head over to the daily time frame so we can look at this a little bit clearer. In fact, I'm going to scale to the 4 hour because there's not really much to say. We need a larger setup of candles essentially. We don't need it as condensed. That's why we went to the 5-day and we drew out all those levels, knowing that once $35 is broken, $50 is next, and then the 89 technical target, which is only $10 away from 100. So we know that that will eventually get met. So right here, I did draw out some key levels of support in my last update. There was one down here, there was one on this wick, and also the 20 moving average over here. But we came down to the wick, tested it as support, and reclaimed the 20. So this is great. These are great signals, guys, because it's not only reclaiming the 20. Look what happens when we are above the 20 moving average, the purple moving average. You can see we always continue high. We always put in a new high. So the anticipation here is we put in that next high and we hit that $35. That's not where I'm expecting it to top out. That's just a technical technical target. Look, we've already topped out before that point, so the market makers are front running this essentially. And then what we will do is use our Fibonacci's, measuring this dump back down to this key area, previous resistance, now support at $28.47, and we reclaim the 20 moving average. I like that it actually got rejected over here. There was a moment where the bears stepped in at the golden pocket and pushed price all the way back down to here. So if I draw out what actually happened, is we had a pump into this area, the bears stepped in from here, dumped price all the way down to there. From this point the bulls stepped in, and you can see the movement. So we went up first, got rejected. This is actually a point where we're meant to put in a lower low, and we didn't, as this wick held as support. Continue to hold this, and then we will not essentially dip down lower. But we also had the 55 as a second layer of defense anyways, protecting it. Even if you dip down a little bit, it'll just push you back inside and eventually reclaiming the 20, giving you this breakout anyway. So if we continued a little bit lower, we still would have seen similar movements, but it's just happened a lot quicker. So essentially acting as a catalyst. As long as you're not losing this, we're going to go up quicker. Lose this, then we may still go up, but it just might be prolonged essentially. So I like what I'm seeing right now of the 4 hour after breaking through the golden pocket. Now we need to make sure it stays as support. Now I already see within this same 4 hour candle the 0.5 holding as support. So that's my confirmation right there. Hold above the 20 and the 0.5 Fibonacci, $30 to $31, and then we're just going to continue ripping essentially, guys, with the next targets actually sitting almost at $50. So the Fibonacci is saying maybe we get to the $40 mark, start dipping back down, and then we'll have another go and head to $50. Guys, there's not much more to say. Hopefully you enjoyed today's update. Hopefully it was informative and you learned something. If not, continue to watch, stay subscribed, stay tuned, like, comment and share these videos so we can hit 7.5k subscribers. And if you want to get educated to learn all of this by yourself, so you can of course profit on your own. Equally, if you want to join my Discord community, we do have 2 weekly group calls in there. I'm also going to help you out with predicting where the market goes, learning my exact strategy. You're also going to have access to my personal portfolio and a whole bunch of other students in there sharing their own trade ideas. Guys, that's it from me today. I'll catch you in the next one. Use the links down below, and peace. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.